Alright guys, so the Mustang has been setting all winter. I haven't even checked on the Mustang. Hope it's still there. Anyway, we got plenty of security cameras. I think we would know if it's not there. But that's besides the point. Let's go get a cold start. We gotta hook up the battery. I'm bored. We're gonna take it for a drive. I gotta get out of here. I'm tired of doing product reviews. Shout out to my other YouTube channel, Scott's Honest Reviews. That's what I do for a living. That's my job. So let's get started. Alright, time to connect our dual batteries. Alright, you guys are really gonna hear a cold start. So this is the only downfall of it being a warm day and winter. Our back lane is all stone, so as you guys can see, it got a little mud on it. Probably gonna get some mud on it when we take it back, but this time we'll be going downhill and slower, but so I figured give it a wash.